Hey guys, in today's video I provide you the full comparison of Soundcore q20i versus q30. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. The q20i is compact and lightweight, and the q30 is larger and heavier. Comfort. The q20i is comfortable for extended wear, and the q30 is comfortable but might not be as portable. Noise cancellation. q20i effective for low frequency noises, and q30 improve noise cancellation especially for higher frequency transparency mode. Sound quality. q20i balance out with good bass response, and q30 more refined sound profile with enhanced clarity and detail. Battery life. q20i up to 60 hours noise cancellation off, and q30 up to 60 hours noise cancellation off. Additional features in q20i: NFC pairing, and in q30 advanced app for customization, EQ settings, sound mode adjustments. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.